I believe in tough love. Just because nakuonea usioneke.
Usikubali.
Usikubali.
Usikae kinyonge.
Usikae kinyonge. Because I don't think life is for the wanyonge. A lot of people, they like to victimize themselves.
Yes, they do.
Things are happening to them. Things they're undeserving. And it's not fair either way. You just have to power through. Maisha yanaendelea, you're not saying you're not special. You could be special. It's very much of kuwa na grit. Have that grit. Nothing is happening to you. You're not a victim of any situation. Even if in reality you could be a victim.
Yeah.
But don't victimize yourself because you are a victim. I don't know if that makes sense.
Ish.